Okay guys, so today I was thinking like, wait, what that? Okay, so what I was thinking is, I think we make a mystery button for our friends. And you can send this to your friends in their birthday. So here's the thing. First I'm gonna get the new sprite. I need the buttons. You can select any button. Maybe I'm gonna change the color because I don't like the way the colors. Oops. I'm gonna try panels. Okay, so first, maybe I would like this button a bit smaller. Okay, now we should do so that something will gonna happen when it will go, when this button will be clicked. Wait, no, when this button. Wait, new message. Action. I bet you're curious for the action. First, I need the backdrop. So it's not none of my friends' birthday right now. Just search party. Yeah, party. And switch backdrop to party. Green flag leg. Okay, so now we need all the friends. This we need more peoples. You can put that much people. How many there are? I mean, how many you have? Maybe that's enough. Come on. Done. I would like for this. Maybe we should edit this. Edit. Now time to edit. I'm gonna edit. I would like this, so I would like this to be like this small, a bit bigger maybe. Maybe I should do like, oops. Time for this. Time to do something like this. And when it receives action, it will gonna show. Same for others. That's it. Now when green flag, like, it's gonna hide. Give one to this. Give one to this. Okay, now done. Now here's what I would like. First thing, the sounds. I would like This is perfect. Now time for these sounds. Play sound. We're done. You're done. I would like to add a new sprite which is gift. Gift. You can also like change the color of the gift. Oh yes, this should be perfect. Wow, this is kind of cool. Wait, what about this? Let me do some. Should I swapping? No. Why don't we do this green? This, opposite time, this, something for this, something that matches with red. Can this work? Interesting. No. Now look on a broadcast message. Gift. Okay. So now when it receives gift, when it receives gift, it will gonna show, and maybe when the sprite clicked, let me think. I'm gonna see in costumes. Why don't we like select a pet? Where's the pet? Oh yes, this pet. Oops, big. And also big to fit inside the box. Maybe I should do this. Come on. Oops. Put it back. Done. It's hard to measure. Now please submit. Can you find it? Okay. How should I fix this problem? Use this shortcut. 50. Enter. That's perfect. Wait. Maybe I should replace this. I'm gonna like it the new sprite. Guess what this can be? First thing I'm gonna select this pink, then this rabbit. Now I'm gonna create this. Yes. do this. Okay. Oops. What's the gifts one? Oops. Delete. I think this is gonna take okay. So done. Now I'm gonna create a costume too. Okay, so this is like a SquishBall toy. Okay, done. Sure. And this right click. Switch costume to costume. Right. And this right click. I don't want to SquishBall. Yes, this is okay. Now here's the last thing. We need the cake. Wait, no, it's just the cake. Speedrun. Where's the cake? Wait, cake? Cake. Yes, there is the cake. Maybe I should place the cake here. Won't receive action. Sure. And just right click. We're gonna switch. We're gonna switch. It's time to click V. The time to do everything. Okay, when we play it. Yes, hi. No. When we click left, heart. Okay. Now let's give it a try. Time to do something on the gift. When I receive switch okay, now another try. Wait. Oh, yes, sure. Now give another try. Gift. Maybe, oh yes, maybe I should give this a bit effect. Point 3. Maybe just a bit more sand. Maybe I should select Oh, 6. Now perfect. Now thanks for watching, guys. See you later.